Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make sugar donuts. This is a nice kids recipe. My kids love sugar donut, so they asked me to make it for them, so I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So then I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. And also guys, please watch the ads in the video, okay? And if anyone would like to donate or support my channel, just click the link below for my Cash App or my PayPal. So let me just show you my ingredients for my homemade sugar donut. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my donut. So the first thing we have here is some salt, vanilla essence, yeast, egg, white sugar, milk, our flour. Over here we have some grated nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and some butter. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my flour here. So the first thing you're gonna do is put in your butter and you're gonna mix it up into the flour. So I just finished putting my butter into the flour. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your granulated white sugar. You can use brown if you want. You're also gonna put in your instant yeast. Here we're gonna put in our nutmeg and cinnamon powder. And our salt. And you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Just like this, all right? So now we're gonna put in our wet ingredient. So the first thing we're gonna put in is our vanilla essence, egg, 1 egg, mix it in real good, and also we're gonna put in our milk. All right, and we're gonna form a dough. Pour a little bit at a time to form your dough. So now I'm going to use my hands and I'm going to mix everything together just like this. Scrape all the sides. Make sure you get all the dough. Just like this. And you're going to keep kneading it for maybe about 5 minutes or until it gets smooth. Okay guys, so we'll be back when I finish kneading it. Okay, so I just finished kneading my dough. I kneaded about 5 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take a plastic wrap and I'm going to cover it and let it get double in size. It may take about half an hour to 45 minutes, alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my dough has been resting for an hour. So I'm going to take off my plastic wrap. You see, it's double in size now. So what you're going to do now, you're going to take some flour. I'm just going to put a little flour on your countertop like this. I'm going to punch a hole in it. And you're going to take it out of the bowl. Rest it on the countertop like that. And put a little bit of flour in my hands like this. And we're going to probably knead it for another minute or so. Yeah, to get out all of the air inside of it. So I'm going to knead it for another minute. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been I need it for about 3 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're going to roll this out and you're gonna roll it out just like this. Press and roll it out. Guys, if you hear like a squeaking noise, it's the table, okay? Oh my god, that's thunder. It's gonna be a rainy day today. Rainy day. All week it has been raining. My God. Whew. Anyway, guys, so I finished rolling it out like this. So you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna try to get cut it in equal parts. I'll try my best to get it equal as possible. Yeah. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna get a little bit more flour and you get to put it on the dough and you're gonna form a ball, just like when you're making like fry bake. You're gonna form a ball just like this. Yeah, this is perfect. And then you're gonna put this aside. Get some a little bit more flour. Put it here. And you're gonna fold it in. So this is the last one I'm doing here. Just like this. And you're gonna leave it just like this. All of them are not the same size, but that's okay. So what you're gonna do now, I don't have a donut cutter, but I have a cork. So you're gonna get your cork and you're gonna punch a hole in it to get the circle, just like this. You're gonna go right down like this, right down, and you see it came here and it come right out. See? So you're gonna do the rest. I'm trying to put it at the center, and you're gonna go right down, straight down to the end, and you're gonna pull it out just like this. You're gonna do another one. Take your cork and you go straight down the middle. Okay, so I'll do all the rest off camera and we'll be back. So I finished boring all the holes in the donuts here. So I'm gonna get 7 donuts, and here are the donut holes here. You're gonna fry them as well. So I'm gonna take a paper towel and I'm gonna, not a paper towel, a kitchen towel, and I'm gonna let this rest for another 20 minutes, then we'll be back. Okay guys, so my donuts is all ready to fry, so I'll show you guys that now. Okay guys, so the oil is hot, so you're gonna put in the donut holes inside to fry first. And then you're gonna put in the donuts. Alright, so our donut holes finished frying. It has been frying for 2.5 minutes. So I'm gonna take it out and put it in a container with a paper towel, just like this. So you're gonna fry our donuts now. So here it goes. This is one of them here. This. I'm not gonna overcrowd the pan, so I'm gonna probably just fry 3 at a time for about 1.5 minutes on each side. Okay guys, so we'll be back when we're ready to turn it. So I'm turning the other set now. The second set has been frying for 1.5 minutes, so I'm turning it. Let this other side fry for another 1.5 minutes and we'll be back. So all the 3 of the donuts finished frying, so I'm gonna drain out the oil like this and put it into the container with a paper towel. And so quick and easy to finish frying. So guys, these are all of my donuts here. I have 7 donuts here. So what you're gonna do today, we're gonna be doing the sugar donuts, right? So this is my white sugar, so I'm gonna put my white sugar all over it, right? All over. You're just gonna put your sugar all over the donuts, okay guys? Just like this, you just pour the white sugar all over. Pour it all over. Pour like you're crazy. That's what my son said. These are sugary donuts. This donut have my house smelling so good. Ooh. My kids are so excited to eat this donut because they love eating donuts. This is a nice kids recipe. The kids are home from school and they love these sugary donuts. Okay guys, so we'll be back. So I'm putting them now into the plate. Just like this. Let's see if all can hold. Not all are whole, but majority of them whole. So these are my donuts, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to bite into them. Okay guys, so I'm gonna taste my sugar donut on camera and let you guys see. So these are the donut here, and I have one here that I already bite, but I'm gonna show you bite it again on camera so you guys can see. So here goes. Wow, it's so fluffy, moist and tasty. You guys really need to try this recipe, and it's a nice kids recipe, so try it for your kids, guys. Let me taste another one. And it's so simple and easy to make as well too. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and you can share my video as well, okay? So take care and bye.